Hi, my name is Christian, and today I'm going to be making a malasada, which is a type of Portuguese donut. To make malasadas, you're going to need 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of warm water, 1/3 cup of sugar, another cup of sugar for dusting, 1 teaspoon of salt, a package of yeast, 4 eggs, 1 lemon, and a stick and a half of butter. Add 1 package of yeast to the warm water. So next you want to put your yeast aside and you want to get some peels off of your lemon. Add it to the warm cup of milk and let it sit there for a little bit. Next you're going to take your flour and your 1/3 cup of sugar. Add it together along with your teaspoon of salt and mix it together. So next you're going to want to add your flour mixture here into a bigger bowl, and you're going to want to add your yeast mixture into the bowl as well. The 4 eggs, you're going to want to crack them, put it into the bowl and pour them in. And then you're going to want to take your stick and a half of butter and melt it. Put that into the bowl. And then last, you're going to take your warm milk and lemon peel and pour that in. After 5 minutes of mixing, cover the dough with a towel and let it sit for an hour and a half.
Historical fact.
Portugal was the first country to venture outside of Europe and discover new lands. At one point, it owned half of the new lands.
Interesting fact.
Portugal has one of the longest bridges in Europe. It is 10 miles long.
Historical fact.
Although Portugal played a major role in the slave trade, it was one of the first countries to abolish slavery.
Interesting fact.
Lisbon is older than Rome and one of the oldest cities among Europe.
Portugal was one of the founders of NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization.
First, fill your pan with vegetable oil, heat it up, and prepare to fry. You're going to want to spray your hands with cooking oil. Then, you're going to want to take about a golf ball size of dough, right about there. Spread it into a fan, maybe a little more. Spread it into like a disc shape. And then you're gonna wanna place it onto your cooking pan, just like this. It'll start frying, and you're gonna take your spatula, and once it turns a brown on the other side, you're gonna flip it, and then do the same thing over and over until it's golden brown on each side. So we'll flip it. As you can see, it's turning a brown on one side, and then once it turns another brown, we're gonna place it on the tray. Once you're done cooking or frying the donut, you're gonna wanna put it on your pan and let it dry for about 30 seconds. Then, once it's done drying, you're gonna take it, pick it up, and put it in your cup of sugar for dusting, and you're gonna cover it in sugar. And there's your malasada.
Hi, my name is Maxim.
And I'm Jason.
And today we're going to teach you how to make the francesinha, the Portuguese sandwich. So for this, you will need some onion, bread, pepper sauce, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, garlic, tomato paste, salami, ham, cheese, a sausage, some salt, and some pepper. Okay, so right now we're gonna take the onion and put it in the pan. Next, we're gonna add the olive oil. Okay, so right now we're sauteing the onion with the olive oil. Next, we're gonna add some garlic to it and let that cook all together. Mix around with the spatula. And let it cook for a little bit. Next, we're gonna take the sausage, which is called the Portuguese linguiça, and we're gonna cook it in the pan. We're gonna finish the sauce for the sandwich. To do that, we're gonna add some tartar sauce along with the pepper sauce. Afterwards, we're gonna add the tomato paste. Stir it together and let it cook for some more time. Is some salt and some pepper. After that, we're done, and we just let it cook for a little bit more and wait for the sausage to be done.
This sandwich is in 1 slice of bread, 3 slices of salami, a slice of cheese, some ham, some more salami, some more cheese, 1 more slice of salami, and some sausage. Try and get you ready. Put it on top and slap on 5 more slices of cheese. Next, you gotta slap this bad boy into the oven. And, start.
Fun fact, the world's largest omelet was made in Portugal and weighed at 7 tons. Historical fact.
80% of the Portuguese population is Roman Catholic, and that had a great influence on the Reformation and its people.
Interesting fact. A Portuguese princess introduced the habit of drinking tea to England. Historical fact.
England and Portugal have the oldest diplomatic alliance in the world. The Anglo-Portuguese alliance was signed in 1373 and is still in force today.
Fun fact.
Portugal is one of the most famous places for surfing. It holds the 2011 record for the highest wave ever surfed, 90 feet.
So this is what it looks like when it's done toasting. And now just to finish it off, we have to put the sauce on it.